Today we're going to learn how to half double crochet. Now we've already done a setup row, and to get the height of our stitches for each row, we start with a chain 2. So chain 1 and chain 2, and now we turn our work to start a fresh row. And with half double crochet, we insert our hook into the same stitch that our chain 2 is attached to. So insert your hook into that first stitch and pull through so that you have 3 loops on your hook. And now you're going to yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops, and that is your first half double crochet. So let's do that again. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into your next stitch, pull your yarn through your stitch, yarn over, and pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. And now that's another half double crochet. We'll look at it one more time. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull your yarn through your stitch, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. And now you know how to half double crochet.